Well, hello everyone and welcome back. Today I have some beautiful DIYs to share with you. As always, they're simple, affordable, and easy for you to recreate. So if you'd like to see what I've created today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with this plastic bowl from Dollar Tree as well as this pearl ribbon from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to hot glue the ribbon vertically to the bowl. Now I'll be using this pink iridescent ribbon from Dollar Tree. I decided to cut the pearl ribbon into strips and glue it in between each layer of the pink iridescent ribbon. Next, I'll be taking this small Dollar Tree bowl and painting it with some translucent glue and iridescent glitter. Next, I just added a push light, and yeah, here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? For my next DIY, I'll be taking these diamond base filler from Dollar Tree and I'm going to be lining them up in 2 rows of 4. Once I have that done, I'm going to go in with some silver diamond base filler and I'm just going to be putting 7 of them in the center. Right here, I'm just using some popsicle sticks to help me to line them up and get them nice and straight. Now I'm just going to hot glue them together and I'm going to make 10 of these. Here I'm just trying to figure out a pattern that I like. I'm going to be using 2 pieces of recycled floral foam from a previous project. Now I'm just going to add a piece of scrap foam board that I already had. And here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's all that I have for you today. 2 amazing new DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as well as hitting the notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.